Hey guys, so I wanted to go over with you number 12 and number 13 because the restrictions are a little bit different with this problem and these kinds of problems, okay? So the first thing that you'll notice is that number 12 and 13 are exactly the same, okay? But they have different restrictions that are on them. Now, they're giving you the restrictions, so they're telling you, hey, when you do this problem, I want an answer that is between negative 90 and 90 degrees. And when you do it again, I want a different answer that's somewhere between 180 and 270. Okay. So the first thing that I want to look at is actually where is negative 90 degrees and positive 90 degrees. Okay. So negative 90 is down here. 90 degrees is up here. So we want to give an answer that is either in quadrant 1 or quadrant 4 or both if possible. Okay. It's not going to be possible, however, because the tangent is positive and the tangent is only positive in quadrant number 1. Okay, it's not positive over here in this quadrant because your x is positive, but your y is negative. Okay, so now I'm going to get my calculator. I'm going to go through really quick. Oh, good, I'm in degree mode because you got to make sure that you're in degree mode since they want an answer in degrees. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and type in the inverse tan, and we're trying to do, when is the ratio 1.4? So I'm going to go type in 1.4, and I get 54.46. I'm pretty sure the book said to do to the nearest degree, okay? And so this answer on my calculator says 54 degrees, okay? So if I draw 54, 54 is in quadrant number 1. And so I'm done. Because remember, right, tangent is positive, and it's either in quadrant 1 or 4, and it's negative down here, okay? And so here's where 54 degrees is, so I'm good. Okay, so my answer to number 12 is 54. When I go to do number 13, though, they want me to give them an angle that is somewhere between 180 and 270. And so here's the problem. When I go to type it into my calculator, I'm still going to get 54, right? And so let's go look, where is 180 and 270? Okay, well, this is pi, so 180 is over here, and 270, which is 3 pi over 2, is down there, right? So I want an answer that is in quadrant number 3, okay? But when I do this, I only get an answer of 54. So 54 degrees is right here. I don't know if you remember reference angles from a couple of days ago, right? But if I extend this line out, okay, this is 54. This is also 54. So I'm not going to add 360. I'm not going to subtract 360. I'm going to end up only adding 180, right? So I'm going to add 180 to 54 degrees. Okay, and I'm going to get my handy dandy calculator because I can't do any kind of adding anymore. But my answer ends up being 234 degrees. And again, it's positive. And so in quadrant number 3, our x is negative and our y is negative, and a negative divided by a negative is a positive ratio. So I know that might have been a little bit confusing, but hopefully this little video helped. You're using the idea of a reference angle to get an answer that is inside the restriction that they give you. Okay?